Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Forge. Forge means make or shape metal object. For example, he forged a great suit of black armor. He forged a great suit of black armor. Synonyms: hammer out, beat into shape, found.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. He forges through the reeds and nips at the bull's heels. Now, repeat after me. He forges through the reeds and nips at the bull's heels. The second exemplar. Tight faceting suggests plumage, but those feathers could be forged of sheet metal. Now, repeat after me. Tight faceting suggests plumage, but those feathers could be forged of sheet metal. The third exemplar. For the tests, an 11-in square cast ingot was forged to a 4-in thick slab. Now, repeat after me. For the tests, an 11-in square cast ingot was forged to a 4-in thick slab.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Oxyphenbutazone is the highest scoring word in a game of Scrabble. Although, it's only hypothetical and hasn't been played ever. But hey, maybe you'll be the first one to use it.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.